Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure both devices run supported OS versions and you have admin access. Once done, install the remote desktop client on your local device and the host agent on the remote machine. This ensures compatible protocols. Next, enable remote access in the host app and configure authentication. Use a strong password or SSH key so unauthorized users are blocked. Finally, record the host ID, IP, or port. You'll need these for the immediate connection step. Now establish the actual connection by choosing a method: direct IP when on LAN, relay server when NAT blocks you, or VPN for a secure tunnel. Pick what fits your network. Make sure to set up NAT or port forwarding on the remote router if using direct access, or simply log into the relay service provided by the software. Also enable end-to-end encryption and multi-factor authentication to protect the session. Once connected, adjust display and input settings for optimal performance. Finish by testing common tasks. Transfer a small file, verify clipboard sync, and confirm remote audio if needed, because these validate usability. Make sure to set session timeouts, enable audit logs, and restrict permissions to least privilege so accidental changes are minimized. If something goes wrong, first check the host service status, then firewall and router rules, and finally review application logs. These steps quickly reveal whether it's network, permission, or software configuration. Reconnect after fixes to confirm resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.